Hello everyone, I'm Karil Jane Condes, and in this video, I want to share my reflection about GPUs, how they started, how they changed the world of computing, and how they became a very important part of AI, digital twins, autonomous vehicles, and even the metaverse. So this topic may sound advanced, but they are shaping the future we will live in. And as future engineers, it's important for us to understand how these technologies grow, where they are heading, and what role we will play in that journey. So today, I'll share my thoughts on each topic, what I learned, and how I see the future unfolding with AI and GPU development. So for the first video, the GPU started and evolved. So GPUs or graphics processing units were originally designed for a very simple purpose to make graphics look better. In the early years, computers were not powerful enough to handle 3D graphics or fast visual effects. So engineers created GPUs to focus only on graphics tasks, making games smoother, animation faster, and visual more realistic. But as time passed, people realized something unexpected about GPUs. So GPUs were not only good at graphics, they were extremely good at doing many small tasks at the same time. So while a CPU focuses on one task at a time and moves step by step, a GPU can work on thousands of small calculation in parallel. This ability became a turning point in computing. So research saw that this parallel processing was exactly what they needed for scientific work, big simulation, and especially artificial intelligence. Because of this discovery, GPUs evolved very quickly. They transformed from a simple gaming component into one of the most powerful computing engines used in the modern technology. Today, GPUs drive everything from 3D animation and weather prediction to deep learning, medical research, robotics, and intelligent transportation. This evolution shows how a technology can grow far beyond its original purpose. Something made for games eventually became the foundation of the AI revolution, and that is a reminder that innovation can appear in surprising ways. So for the second video, so artificial intelligence or AI systems need to process massive amounts of data. They need to learn from images, videos, text, speech, and patterns. So without GPUs, training an AI model would take weeks, months, or even years. So GPUs speed this up dramatically. They make it possible to train large AI models in hours or days. This is the main reason why AI is moving so quickly today. From chatbots to robots to advanced research tools, all of them depend heavily on GPUs. So for autonomous vehicles, so self-driving cars are one of the best examples of GPU power. So a car with cameras and sensors collect huge amount of data every second. It must detect pedestrians, other vehicles, obstacles, and traffic signs instantly. A CPU alone cannot process all that information fast enough, but GPUs can. So GPUs allow the car to understand its surroundings in real time, predict what might happen next, and make safe decisions on the road. Without GPU, autonomous vehicles would not be able to react quickly enough to be safe. So for digital twins, so digital twin is a virtual copy of something real. It could be a machine, building, or factory, or an entire city. So GPUs make these digital twins possible because they can handle heavy simulation and realistic graphics. So engineers can test designs, find problems, and explore improvements without touching the real object. So this saves money, time, and resource. It also makes engineering more efficient and safer. So for metaverse, the metaverse needs extremely fast graphics, realistic environments, smooth motion, and interactive AI characters. So, to create a world that feels real, GPUs are essential. They make sure the virtual world runs smoothly and looks detailed. Whether the metaverse becomes a major part of our future or not. So the GPUs will always be behind the scenes making those experience possible. So for the third video, the GPU technology is heading. So the GPU development today is accelerating faster than ever. Every new generations becomes more powerful, more efficient, and more focused on AI tasks. We now have GPUs with special cores dedicated to machine learning and deep learning. The data centers around the world are building massive GPU clusters to train large AI models and run global systems. So smaller and low-power GPUs are also being used in drones, robots, medical devices, and everyday gadgets. So in the future, GPUs might even work side by side with new types of processors like quantum computers and brain-inspired chips. This will open new possibilities in simulation, optimization, medicine, and even space exploration. We are also moving toward a world where digital twins and metaverse environments will be part of daily life. So future classroom might use virtual worlds for teaching. Future factories might run entirely through digital twins, and future transportation systems might be fully autonomous. All of this depend on the continuous evolution of GPU technology. So for my personal reflection as a future engineer, so as a future engineers, we are entering a world where AI, robotics, autonomous vehicles, and virtual environments will be normal. This is exciting because we will be part of the generation that pushes these technologies forward. But this also means we have responsibility. We need to think about how to make AI fair and safe. We need to protect user privacy and prevent misuse of data. We need to design these systems that support humans rather than replace them. We must consider the environmental impact of powerful GPU clusters and find ways to reduce energy use. So technology will continue to grow, but the direction it takes will depend on the choices we make as engineers. So for me, the story of GPUs is inspiring because it shows that a small idea, a tool created just for gaming, can grow into something world changing. It reminds me that the next big innovation can come from anywhere, even from ideas that seem simple today. We are the generation of thinkers, builders, and creators. What we learn today will shape the world of tomorrow, and the technologies we build will affect millions of lives. So, thank you for listening to my reflection. I hope this inspires you to look deeper into the technologies we often take for granted. So let's continue learning, exploring, and imagining the future, not just to follow what's trending, but to help build a better and more meaningful future for everyone.